Liquidated damages in government contracting are a form of financial compensation that a government agency can impose on a contractor for failing to meet specified contract requirements or deadlines. They are established in advance, typically as a per diem or per project cost, and are intended to compensate the government for specific losses or costs incurred due to the contractor's non-performance or delay. Liquidated damages can benefit the government by providing a clear and predictable remedy for contract breaches, discouraging contractors from non-compliance, and ensuring that the government is compensated for its losses without the need for lengthy and costly litigation. Contractors can avoid these penalties by adhering to contract requirements, completing work on time, and taking proactive measures to mitigate any potential delays. Liquidated damages are an important element of government contracting because they provide a mechanism to address delays and non-performance effectively. When a contractor fails to meet contractual obligations, it can lead to increased costs, project delays, and inconvenience for the government agency. Liquidated damages serve several key purposes. Clear remedies. They provide a clear, predetermined remedy for the government in the event of a breach. This clarity reduces the need for litigation and facilitates dispute resolution. Cost recovery. Liquidated damages allow the government to recover its actual losses or costs associated with the contractor's non-performance. These costs could include additional personnel expenses, extended equipment rental, or project delays. Contractual incentives. They incentivize contractors to meet contract requirements and deadlines, as the prospect of incurring financial penalties encourages adherence to the terms of the agreement. To avoid liquidated damages as a contractor in government contracting, consider the following steps. Tip 1. Carefully review the contract terms and conditions to understand the specific requirements, deadlines, and potential liquidated damages provisions. Tip 2. Ensure that your team adheres to the project schedule and meets all contractual deadlines. Effective project management and scheduling can help prevent delays. Tip 3. Implement risk mitigation strategies such as contingency plans for potential issues that could cause delays. Proactive measures can prevent problems from escalating. Tip 4. Maintain open and transparent communication with the government agency. If unforeseen issues arise that could impact performance, inform the agency promptly and work together to find solutions. Tip 5. Maintain thorough and accurate records of all project activities, including communication, changes, and any unforeseen circumstances. Proper documentation can help in case of a dispute. To find more information about liquidated damages in government contracts, contractors should consult the Federal Acquisition Regulation, FAR, and search in FAR Part 11.5, Liquidated Damages. The FAR, which is the primary source for federal government procurement regulations, contains detailed guidance on various aspects of government contracting, including liquidated damages. There are two main clauses that will be added contracts when it comes to liquidated damages. 52.211. 11. Liquidated damages for supplies, services, or research and development. And 52.211. 12. Liquidated damages for construction. Liquidated damages in government contracting serve as an important tool to ensure contract compliance and provide a clear and predictable mechanism for addressing non-performance and delays. Contractors can avoid these penalties by closely adhering to contract requirements, proactively managing project risks, and maintaining open communication with the government agency. Specific information about liquidated damages can be found in the Federal Acquisition Regulation, FAR.